Hello friends.
Welcome to ASDA World. Oh friends, we heard that 59 Chinese apps has been banned. Now what next?
Don't worry, we have a solution for that. In this video, we will explain about the best alternatives for Chinese apps. From September 2016, TikTok was the most downloaded video sharing app. As TikTok is banned now, we should find other alternatives for it. We have Roposo, Chingari and Dubsmash. The other banned Chinese apps are Shareit and Xender, which are file sharing apps. For that, we have Files by Google app. The Chinese document scanning app that many of us use is Camscanner. The best alternatives for Camscanner are Adobe Photoscan and Microsoft Office Lens. VivaVideo is one of the Chinese video editing apps which was recently banned. Kinemaster and Inshot are the best alternatives for VivaVideo. An example of a Chinese browser app is UC Browser. I recommend our viewers to use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge as your browsers. The most infamous Chinese document reader app is WPS Office. It is most recommended to use Google Sheets and Google Docs as your document reader apps. Zoom is the most famous video conferencing app. Although it is a US-based company, but it is founded by a Chinese and has many security issues. So, it is recommended to use user-friendly alternatives such as Google Meet and Cisco WebEx. It is also advisable not to use Chinese online shopping apps such as Club Factory and Alibaba. So, it is always suitable to use certified shopping apps such as Amazon and Flipkart.
Oh, thank you for sharing such an informative message. Wow, friends, see we have so many alternatives for Chinese apps. Then why worry?
Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.
Please like, subscribe and share.